Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's tech tip video, I want to show you how easy it is to install Liquicell Gel Pads on your seats. Engineered using ultra-thin liquid interface technology, these Liquicell pads are able to distribute and equalize pressure more evenly over the seat cushion area, which reduces uncomfortable pressure points, increases circulation, and improves comfort while decreasing fatigue on longer driving trips. These gel pads are designed to be easily installed between the foam and upholstery without any modification to the seats, and is compatible with both leather and cloth interiors. Installation of the gel pads is a fairly straightforward process for a mechanically inclined individual. These pads can be installed on most seats and require some basic removal, disassembly, and reassembly. If you're already considering installing a LeatherSeats.com upholstery kit, this is the perfect time to add them. In this case, we're adding the Liquicell gel pads to factory cloth seats in a 2011 Toyota Corolla. You will need to ensure that your seats don't have any electrical sensors directly on top of the seat foam, such as a surface-mounted seat occupancy detection system. For this information, you may need to review your owner's manual, refer to an original parts diagram, or maybe even do some investigative work on your actual seats. Occupancy detection systems are typically only on the front passenger side seats of later model vehicles. Installation of the Liquicell gel pads first requires the seats to be taken out of the vehicle and the upholstery removed from the bottom cushion to reveal the core seat foam beneath. Once the foam is exposed, you'll need to consider the placement of the pads. There are 8 pads per Liquicell unit that can be configured to fit different seat styles. There are 6 pads for the center inserts of the seats and 2 for the side bolsters. One thing to remember though is that the horizontal placement must be symmetrical for the pads to work correctly. Next, you need to use an adhesive spray to coat both the back of the gel pad sections as well as the foam where the pads will be placed using the provided gluing templates. We recommend at least 2 coats of adhesive. Make sure that each section is straight and symmetrical to the seat cushion while not overlapping for optimal comfort. Repeat the process until all the gel pads are placed. You can then reinstall the upholstery back over the cushion using the same attachments that were on it before. Depending on how your original covers were installed, you may need to have some extra hog rings on hand. For this installation method, be careful not to puncture the gel pads with the hog rings or any of the tools you're using for installation. Alright guys, we finished installing the Liquicell gel pads on both front cushions without affecting the look or fit of the upholstery because of the thin profile of the pads. If you have any questions on installing Liquicell gel pads in your vehicle, feel free to email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com or give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.